Hi, my name is Dennis, a software engineer at Terralogic. Welcome back to our pyATS series. In this video, we are going to learn how to use the Genie API. Basically, the Genie API is the built-in function inside Genie. The purpose of utilizing the Genie API is to facilitate the configuration and retrieval of information from network device, eliminating the need to have in-depth knowledge of CLI commands. Now I will introduce to you the document website where we can obtain on the API from the Trendy library. From visiting this website, you will find a list of all APIs. You can search for the API by on which command you want to execute on your network device. It also has a filter for the OS system. This is a scenario. I have a router and I only know the command to show on the interfaces info. You can see that on the interfaces startup are administratively down. Let's say I want to enable the first two interfaces, which are fast Ethernet 00 and serial 00, but I don't know the command to configure it. This is where you need the help of Genie APIs. I have already created a script to help me enable these two interfaces by using the Genie API. Let's examine the script. First, I am going to show you the way to invoke the Genie API. Now you need to decide which API you want to use in your code. We go to a website, search for that API. In my case, I want to enable my interfaces, so I want you to use the configure interfaces and shutdown API. Here we can see several API with the same name. For me, I will choose the one that matches with my network operating system, which is iOS. If we don't know which OS your network device is, we can telnet into it and then type the command show version. So after we know which API to choose, we'll go to the course. We'll go to the shortcut of that API. Here we can see the path to the function we need to use. In my case, the path is libs SDK APIs iOS interface. Now we can come back to our code and start importing the API. We can use the API like any normal functions or the required argument for each API are provided on the website or in the shortcode. The configure interfaces and shutdown require a device object and a list of interfaces. So I'll try to create a device object by establishing a connection to my router in the command setup. After that, in my test session, first I will get on the interfaces started before doing any configuration. Then I am going to enable the two interfaces FA00 and SA00 at plant. Finally, I will get interfaces started once again to check if our configuration has been applied. Let's try running the script and see the result. The test has been passed perfectly. Now we will examine our device and check the configuration. As we can see, the fact Ethernet 00 and 000 are now enabling, and that's how the Genie APIs work and the way to use it. In the next video, we'll delve into how to create and verify the log of a test. Thank you for watching our video.